And so traders, welcome back to the new Money Wave FX group channel. My name is Fiso Anatisibamba, and if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share. So guys, I want us to talk, man. I want us to have one-on-one sessions, as you guys have seen the previous week, you go to the markets, we're not moving accordingly. You enter a trade accordingly, price goes up, price comes down, takes you out. And what are you doing as a trader? You're blaming yourself, you're blaming your strategy, not knowing what's happening fundamentally in the markets. That's the biggest mistake we as technical traders make. We tend to think technicals alone are the savior for us. Technicals alone are the way to go, which is a huge mistake that we make as traders. I don't want to lie. That's a huge mistake that we as traders make, that we as technical traders make. Your technicals may be right all you want. Your technicals may align with your strategy, like everything may go according to plan, but as soon as you don't know what's happening fundamentally in the market, you already failed as a trader. That setup already failed. What do I mean by that? What I mean by that is that the markets are moved by headlines. The markets are moved by fundamentals, guys. I don't want to lie with you guys. The markets are moved by fundamentals, not technicals. So fundamentally, let me make an example. What happened for the past few weeks? Let me just make the recent one. Donald Trump said that they were in a rush for the US to make a deal with Iran. That headline alone, what does it mean? What does it mean, that headline alone? That headline alone means that the US is in no rush to make a deal. So for us traders, investors, what does it mean for us is that investors gonna move away from the dollar and they will invest more in the safe haven currency or pair, which is the gold. So the gold this morning spiked up. Euro USD this morning gapped up. GBP USD gapped up. Because of why? There's no stability in the dollar. So there's no stability in the dollar. Dollar loses its strength, sells. As soon as the dollar sells, safety pairs like gold skyrocketed up. US Nasdaq bought. What else bought? A lot of other pairs bought, pairs that are safe haven for investors to invest their money in. They bought. They kept up. But for the USD JPY, it gapped down. It gave us a gap towards the downside. The dollar index toward the downside. The previous analysis that I had from last week, I'll show you guys over here on screen. The previous analysis that I had from last week, I had bullish analysis. Those technical analysis that I had were bullish. Were already like bullish. Like I could say, okay, my technicals are matching up to point, but fundamentally, what's gonna happen? We never know. Donald Trump will never tweet during the week crazy headlines like that. He will never tweet because he knows people may lose so much, and investors, like the market, may move crazy if he just can drop a headline. So he waited for Saturday or Sunday, especially Sunday. He waited for Sunday. So Sunday happened, Donald Trump tweeted, I'll show you guys on the screen. That nigga tweeted that they were in a rush for traders, for them to make a deal with Iran. Since they were in a rush for them to make a deal with Iran, what happened? Guess what happened? Monday morning, gold. Poof, as soon as market opened, gold up. Euro USD kept up. USD JPY kept down. GBP USD up. Gang, up. Fundamentally, I already knew okay, what's gonna happen to the market. People gonna run for safe haven. What is a safe haven? Safe haven is gold. Safe haven is gold. Mostly investors went to gold and bought gold. Because of why? There's no stability in the dollar. There's no safety in the dollar, so they did what they did. They had to buy gold. So for us traders, I want us to learn something from here. especially me. I want us to learn. I want to learn to combine my fundamentals and technicals. I want to learn how to combine those things. As much as I'm a good technical analysis, fundamentally I suck. And that lesson I had to learn the hard way. I'm learning it still now, 5 years later, trading. I'm learning it still now. Go to know Spiso. Things don't just happen because technicals are telling you this in the market. No. Fundamentally, that's how the markets move. Markets are moved by fundamentals. Your NFP, your CPIs, your everything tells you that, gives you like what's gonna happen in the market. Like gives you already. Let me say you're reading the NFP news. NFP comes out like positive, bullishly. Your USD buys or anything buys. So what you're gonna have to do after having those buys, you're gonna have to go do your technical analysis and find entry points, because of like already positive spikes came out with technicals buying, with Nasdaq buying. You're gonna have to go do your technical analysis to properly have your entry point, because like fundamentals, I believe fundamentals kind of give you the direction as you as a trader. They give you a direction for you to enter on, So yeah, those are one of the things that I want us to talk about. Like another thing that I want us to talk about as traders: learn how to adapt, learn how to do what you see in the market. I need you to learn. I need you to learn to see the market, not to feel the market, see the markets. Because most of us traders, we feel the markets. What do I mean by that? We feel the markets. We trade the markets based off our emotions. That's what's killing us. Actually, that's what's killing us. Trading emotions, not trading what we see, not trading what the market also actually tells us, not doing what the market is showing us that what it wants to do. That's how we blow accounts. That's why you fail, most of us, And another thing that I, from personal experience, and I'm still doing it now, having no patience. Patience is a virtue in the markets, gang. I don't want to lie. Patience is a virtue when it comes to the forex trading markets. It's a virtue because of that one, and you're all alone, is just a powerful one. Patience is a way powerful thing to have. You as a human being, you as a trader, learning to be patient is another thing. Be patient enough. Be patient. I'm still gonna sing this shit, Spiso. I'm talking to myself now. Be patient, my boy. Be patient. You are gonna reach the destination that you need to reach. You just need to be patient, my guy. Because of like 5 years down the line, I wanna see myself being away from all this environment. I wanna see myself in a different environment, because of like I cannot be trading. I cannot be say I'm a trader. I cannot be say I'm a trader then I stick to one zone. The market doesn't stay in one zone for too long. The market moves, the market changes. So that's what I need to do also. Change. Change, my boy. Change. Because success will come to you no matter what. Because of every time I decide I'm going to be impatient towards the market, I blow accounts. After blowing accounts, guess what, son? The market showed me why I should have stayed patient. It showed me that it will go to my order, where my order was supposed to be, and then should have go to the initial direction that I had. So patience is very important as a trader. Patience, my guy. Patience. And another thing I need you to learn to read fundamentals. Learn to read fundamentals. Learn to understand fundamentals. It may take you a long time, but already, again, you cannot give up this journey. You've started this journey where no one believed in you, where nobody still believes. And it's a good thing that nobody believes, but you believe. But I believe, but I see the vision. God gave me that vision, and I need to stick to that vision. Every day I wake up, I think about this shit. Every day I go to sleep, I think about it. So those are one of the things that I need to do. Patience. Patience, already patience. And another thing, you already know the strategy that you use. I already know. But now, one thing that I did not have, an entry model. As much as I had ICT models entries, those things, I'll have to be honest with you guys. For the past few weeks, the 2022 model, actually for a very long time, if they haven't been working. As much as they're working, market takes you out and then goes back to your direction. I might say they work, but they're not working at the same time because of there's no sustainability trading ICT concept. There's no sustainability trading those things for the longest time because of the market this week will give you setup. Today it will give you a proper setup nicely, boy. 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 7 months, there's no entry point for you. As much as you guys see the model presents itself, the market takes you out, guy. You can only lose so much money, boy. You can only lose so much money because of there's no reward in invest. There's no return on investment, So we need to do another thing, boy. We need to change. To those who stayed, man, thank you for staying for the diary session. This is where now I express myself, I talk to myself, the things that I need to do. Some of you traders might actually find this helpful. Some of you might not find this helpful. But yeah, thank you for staying for the diary session. You're a trader, man. Thank you. Also, another thing that I want to tell you guys is that I will be starting trading June. June I will be starting to trade. But for now, my psychology is not where it is not where it needs to be for me to buy a prop from account now to trade a funded account or prop account, or no, to deposit funds in my broker. So I will have to wait until I'm fine psychologically. I need to make sure that I'm fine before I can just take my money and put it there. But that does not stop me from backtesting the market. That does not stop me from analyzing and going through fundamental news, learning fundamentals, So yeah, we're gonna do this and we're gonna succeed, my guy. We're gonna do this, we're gonna succeed. And also, man, okay, and so traders, there are 2 traders that I currently look up to, that I feel like, especially one, Emmanuel, Tivani, Soldier. I relate to that naked story, like Johnny, whereby he's been trading for the longest time, lows accounts and all those things, but in life, I'm currently where he was. Currently, I'm where he was. I'm where he was. I'm where he was currently at this moment. I'm currently where he was. I just want to say, man, shout out Soldier. You inspire me now again. Mag Finance also. Inspiration. Those are the only traders in South Africa whereby I feel like they inspire me, their story kind of relates to mine, because of they are unique, man. I don't know the kind of uniqueness that I need to describe from those traders. Those traders are both unique in their own way, and I relate to those stories. I relate to those stories of those traders on their each unique way. That's a Khwabana. If I botch the core, don't worry why. As I was saying, I relate to those people's stories. I can understand those stories. It's easier for me to know, man, this nigga did this and that and that. and that nigga achieved certain things. This nigga been through this and this and that and that and that, which most of us traders go through, you know. So yeah, those niggas inspire me now. I'm not afraid to admit it, and I admit it. They inspire me. Shout out. And another thing. One last advice that I need to give out to people out there. Fuck these gurus out there that you see. Fuck these gurus, baba. Fuck these gurus, especially South African gurus. Fuck them. Why am I telling you fuck them? Those people have sold you guys a dream of a lie. Those people have never shown you guys the downside of forex trading. They've only shown you guys the positive side. The positive side, which is profits. Blue screen. Like, fuck it, man. Like, some of those guys fuck a lot of upcoming traders mentally up, and I'm one of those. I don't want to lie. I'm one of those who got fucked up. You know? I'm one of those who got fucked up. I don't want to lie. So, I'll need you guys to be careful. You know? If you follow a trader and you're inspired by the trader's lifestyle, it's fine if you're inspired by those lifestyles, you know. But if it triggers you to break the rules that you have for your trading career or for your trading account, my guy, unfollow those people. Unfollow those people, because of it is not good for you and it is not healthy for your account nor your psychology, because of you will start doubting yourself, like, I'm entering trades, I'm trading, nothing is going my way, nothing is doing this and this and this and this and this. Because of why? You're putting now yourself under unnecessary pressure because of seeing the profits that man made, you know, or that one certain guru made. You've seen those profits, like you want to rush also to reach there. My guy, don't do that to yourself, gang. Don't ever do that to yourself. It is tough being a trader, but it is tougher if you're putting your pressure to yourself because of what you've seen, what those gurus do. Most of those gurus now, they're showing themselves that they were never making money from the markets, like properly. Some of them, they were never making money from the markets because of, like, ever since the FSCA made sure that nobody sells signals, nobody sells bots, nobody does mentorships without FSP numbers. Baba, most of them are broke now, those niggas. They were using test accounts to lure you guys into deposit to your broker, because each and every deposit that you make from signing up to them, or each and every course, robots, signals that you guys bought from them, they were never making that. It shows that they were never making money from the markets. They were making money from you guys. So it's only a few people here in South Africa that say, there are traders that say, okay, they're actually making money from the markets. You know, few actually make money from the markets. They are few, baba, and you guys know them too. They are few. You're just being ignorant. So yeah, I need you to focus on yourself. Do this thing. To those who don't have mentors, baba, YouTube has proper mentors. Like, find somebody whereby you feel like your stories relate to, you know, somebody who's not flashy about the lifestyles, somebody who actually is investors to teaching the content. Just find that one person, gang. After finding that one person, I'm telling you, you will see the difference. Those who show profits, lifestyles, and those other things, my guy, you don't need them as a beginner trader in your life. It's fine, you can see them from there, but as long as you're not gonna put pressure on yourself like that, be inspired, but don't put pressure like that to yourself, because putting pressure, you will be rushing the process. Rushing the process, it's never good. It is never good, boy. And another thing, man, let me just drop this video. I don't want to make this video too long. This is the diary session where I express the feelings, where I express myself, where we talk about the markets and all those things. Yeah.